Give me attention. Hold my hand.
Don't do this, you're driving.
The more expensive it is, the less you like it. The cheaper it is, the better you think it tastes. We should share equally.
Oh! We're eating sushi again. Fried rice.
I don't think you got both of your...
I ordered only one.
Did you change it? Because I ordered two.
Yes, I changed it to one. Do you like the sushi at this place? I feel like the sushi at this place is fine, but the sushi at King Buffet tastes better.
Okay, say it and look at me and not the camera. Let the camera look at you and then...
I don't look good from the side.
You look fine. Ask me the question again.
No, I already asked.
No, you have to look at me. Okay, look at me when I respond. Seriously, look in my eyes. It's because your taste buds enjoy the flavor inversely proportional to the price. The more expensive it is, the less you like it. The cheaper it is, the better you think it tastes.
It tastes better. I think it's more flavorful. Really, it's more flavorful.
Baby, we're spending time together, not with the phone.
You were looking at the phone at dinner for the whole time.
That's different.
That's the same.
It's different. Give me attention. Hold my hand.
I'm giving your attention.
Stop looking at the phone. What did you say we need to get? Baking soda?
Yes.
Why do we need baking soda?
You put on my hair.
Why? Is your hair stinky?
No, for a video.
My hair smells like fish, so I need baking soda? Why do we need baking? What are you putting baking soda on your hair for?
For a video. Do you want to get?
No.
Do you want to get ice cream?
No.
Why?
No.
I want McDonald's ice cream.
No. Are you sleepy?
No, I'm not sleepy. Are you sleepy?
Yes. Why am I sleepy?
I don't know.
Am I sleepy because I dug a hole today? I dug a hole.
Yes. I'm not sleepy. I want to watch a movie. I want to watch The Foreigner. How about we watch Kung Fu Yoga?
Didn't we already watch that?
I don't remember we watched that.
I'm pretty sure it ends with Jackie Chan dancing like this.
Don't do this. You're driving. Don't do this. You're driving.
What?
You're driving.
It's a self-driving vehicle. Self-driving. See? Self-driving.
No. I want that one.
Because this one's bigger?
Yes.
But you see, we should share equally. There you go.
You had one bite of my ice cream.
Now they're equal. They're the same size. We don't have to fight over somebody getting more ice cream because they're the same size.
What's wrong?
I'm still hungry. I told you I would eat whatever's left over because I thought you would leave me something, but you didn't.
I eat most sushi. But I will cook you something when we get home.
It's a lie. It's a lie. You won't cook me anything.
This one is Xi'an cold noodles. I had cold noodles before, but I have never had this style of cold noodles. We share.
Are we actually sharing? Are they actually cold?
Yes, they're cold, and you need to mix it. Do you think that's a lot? Look, I really like this.
This is a lot of stuff. We need to get a takeout box.
Yes.
Well, you know which one's my favorite?
This one.
Yep. I can't get behind cold noodles. Sometimes they put ice in the noodles or ice water in the noodles. I just can't get behind it. It seems like I ought to stick it in the microwave and warm it up. What are the ingredients?
It has bean sprout, cucumber, and I think it also has spicy sauce with some vinegar and sugar.
Those little speckles in there. That is not red pepper flakes. What is that?
It's some kind of red chili.
I think I see sesame seeds.
Oh yes. This meat tastes super good. One of my favorite kind of meat because it
And
has
what are these guys? Some sort of green vegetable. Familiar with eating them, but I don't know the name of it. What kind of vegetable is
I
it?
don't know. Do you want me to get the silk worm?
The cold noodles are good. Cold noodles are not at the top of my list, but these are okay. I enjoyed it. This just looks like bacon strips.
But it has more fat. You better eat it with rice. It's better with rice. You can see the meat. It has the meat, has the fat meat, and it also has the skin. Did you see the skin? It has the skin on it. I like to eat the skin. May I have some rice?
I think what I like about it is that the bell peppers are still crunchy.
It feels like bacon, but it's not bacon. We can save some for tomorrow morning.
What kind of onion leaf is this? Is this a leek?
Yes, leek. The leek tastes really good. I'm surprised. I usually don't like leek, but this leek tastes good.
So it's pretty simple, right? You've got the red peppers, you've got the green peppers, you've got the onions
Yes,
and
it's
leeks chopped in big square chunks.
And they put the special sauce. I think the special sauce is豆瓣酱 sauce. We can buy it here and we can cook something similar. And it's very quick. We didn't wait.
No, we didn't wait very long.
Yeah, we wait like 2 minutes and it's ready. I can make you something similar to this. I had those before, but it tastes different than I had.
So I'm going to tell you, right across the street, they've got the Korean bulgogi place. I actually think that this little food that we got here, really quick, probably just as good, if not better. What I mean is, we could have gone across the street, waited in line, sat down, paid 3 times as much, and the food would have been maybe this good.
I really like food court food. It tastes good and it has lots of different flavors and the price is reasonable.
And you know what? This was cheaper than your favorite all-you-can-eat buffet.
Yes, yes. Even the vegetable is good too.
Yeah. Well, I think they cooked them just right.
The flavor is not super powering, just the right.
It's a little salty and it's got some oil. What are those black bean things?
This is 豆瓣酱. We need to look at what's ingredients in the 豆瓣酱. Do you think we'll have enough time to go back to buy?
I don't know. What time is it?
It's very late. 9:37. I can go get it and I'll come back keep eating.
Well, if you leave me alone here with this food when you get back, there won't be any left.
They have lots of different kinds of food I want to try.
Okay, I guess what the pork would be called, Americans would call the pork fatback. The difference is that fatback is usually thick. This is cut very thin. I highly recommend the hand-pulled, double-pulled pork. What is this stuff called?
Double cooked pork. Next time when we come here, we can try the Japanese noodles.
What time is it?
9:40.
I'm going to stop eating because I can eat that whole plate. And I don't want to be over full.
We're taking it home. I remember you said you like the bean sprout.
I do like bean sprouts.
So which one should we buy? This one or this one or this one? I prefer the white one. The white one is prettier. If we get a white one, then everything in the kitchen needs to be white.
How do you know when it's empty? How do you know when you need to replace stuff?
Oh, we can wait. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. How about we get this one? The round is prettier. This one's easy to hold.
Which one holds more?
This one holds more. This one's cheaper.
And this one is much cheaper.
Yes.
$5, $10, $9.99, $9.99.
We get this one.
Sweetie, how many days ago did you cook the ice cream?
Oh, I don't remember.
How many days? Make an estimate.
Maybe 2 or 3 days? No, 4 or 5 days ago.
Okay, so I'm curious. What is going on right here with the condensed milk in the pantry? We have a can of opened condensed milk with a loosely fitted.
Oh, we need to put in the fridge?
So you want to put it in the fridge now after it's been in here for like a week?
Yeah, yes.
So do you think you can actually put it in the refrigerator after a week of sitting in a shelf open and it's going to be okay?
Yes, I think so.
I don't think so. It goes in the garbage. It does not go in the refrigerator.
Okay, I just wasted half can.
It's got a door on it, but that's the pantry. That's not a refrigerator.
Yes, I know. I didn't know I need to put it in. Only you throw it away. I don't throw. I don't want to waste it.
Very spicy. food and the condiments that we've got are on the plates.
On a chair for playing games?